Good morning, Chris Spiker from the Spiker team of RE/MAX here in Olney, Maryland. Just giving everybody a quick heads up about something new that's in our town. There are speed cameras set up on 108. There's the first one on 108, and as you can see, it's right by the Olney post office, which is right there. And for those of you who are wondering if it actually gets anybody, as I've been standing here for a couple minutes, it's probably gone off 7 or 8 times. There is another one on 108 heading the other way, and as I pan around, you're going to see St. John's Church and School, and there is another speed trap right up there. I don't know if you could see the flash go off, it just went off again, but 108 coming the other way right by St. John's School. We are in no way, shape, or form condoning speeding. Speeding is illegal, and we don't think anybody should speed, but the speed limit is 30 miles an hour in this area, and these speed cameras are something new. So again, on 108, right in front of St. John's School, and then the other one is right here, right by the post office. Again, the speed limit is 30 miles an hour for both of these. Thanks, and have a great day.